Hi guys, good day. Please, how are you all doing? Today we're going to learn how to design a birthday template, either for your organization or for whatever institution you have. Just need that you open Coreldraw, okay? So when you open Coreldraw, you get something like that. But someone is asking, how did I get this interface? When you open Coreldraw, this is what you see. So I have made some already made designs. That's why you see this. But when you open Coreldraw for the start, you may see something like this, right? And after that, you click here. When you click here, you choose the dimension. So the dimension that you're going to use. Let's first name it. So you name it maybe birthday template. The templates. Okay, so after that, you make sure that the number of pages is that one. It means the pages you're going to have is going to be only one. The dimensions, you make sure it is 1010, right? You make sure that here is inches, right? Then you keep the orientation at portrait. Then the resolution 300. After that, you click OK. But since I've already created this one here, I will not do that. So after creating it, you get something beautiful as this. This one is 10 14 the dimension. So that one too, you can make it about 10 by 10 is also fine. So then someone is also asking, how did I get this? Stay with us. By the end of this lesson, you should be able to create something like this. Okay. So how did I create this? You first make sure that this thing here is surrounded by a rectangle. So you click here, then you double click here. It will create a rectangle around it. Then you right click here to get away or get rid of the outline. Please, are you following? After you are done with that, let's go and bring in our resources. So the resources, I'll make sure I'll put the link in the description. So my resources is placed on desktop. So I'll go to desktop, I'll go to birthday, then I select them. Okay, so these are the resources I'm going to use for the design. So very good. We are continuing. Now we set our rulers. Okay, the ruler helps us very much. It tells us that our work will be neat. So while this is selected, you select this one first, then shift. You press and hold shift, then you select this one. You press left, right. You should go to the top, so you select T, top, right. To come to the very top corner, then you drag and you bring it down here. You place it here, you drag and you bring it down. Make sure it is on X. We are continuing. You select this one, control, shift and hold. You select this one. Now you're going to the right, so R. It will come to the right for you. Then you do the same thing. So it's like you are setting border lines, okay? Those that did technical, you are setting border line. So you select this one, press and hold shift, then you come to the bottom. You come down here. Scrolling, you can see it is zooming in and zooming out. I'm using mouse, so the scroll here is what I'm using to do that. Okay. So after this is done, you select on the rectangle to here, then you delete it. That is the lateral, the square. Then delete it. So after you have deleted it, let's continue with our design. You first bring in this one, so you enlarge it like that. You bring it up here. House, it is there. Let's enlarge this one. You go to, then you select it down here, shift to get the correct alignment. Okay. Sorry, you go to bitmap, you go to mode, right? You go to grayscale. So you change the color to something like black and white. Okay, you bring it up here. You right click on it, you choose power clip inside, then you power clip it inside like this. Very nicely like that. Please, are you following? Now the next thing that we're supposed to do is that this one you're going to use it 2 times. So you copy, then you paste, right? Okay. Then you bring it up here. You're going to place this, so you can see here, you can see that it is on a certain shape. So you bring in the shape, you draw the 2 like that. The outlines that we make, they are supposed to help us, so make sure you use that. Okay, so I draw it nicely like that. It's way much smaller, so let me reduce the size. Now while this is selected, I'll select this one, then I press on C to come to the middle. I choose a color here. I've seen it, then I right click to get away the outline. So right clicking, get away the outline, then I bring it in. You right click on it to bring it up, so you go to other and you go to front of page. The reason why I'm not using the shortcut is because maybe a beginner might be watching this video, so if I use a lot of the shortcut, that person will be confused. But whilst time goes on, whilst you watch my videos, the time will come, I'll start using the shortcut, so you'll be familiar with it. Okay, so I've grouped it. I selected everything and I grouped it. So while this is selected, you shift, press and hold shift, then you select the whole outline, you press C to come to the middle if it's not in the middle. Now we are continuing. Then we write under it. I will place in the description the files, the resources that I place. I'll also place these files in. So I pose a KSC chapter, you copy it, you come here, then you place it like that. Yes, very good. We are continuing. Now the font that I use is Trajan Pro Bold. Yes, then the color, you pick the color from the logo. So you come here, you select the color, this color. Yes, you select that color out. So once the color is selected, this is the color. That's what I'm using. I bring it here, then I reduce the size a little bit like that. Okay, I press HT, then I make sure that it is in the middle. Push it up. Okay, now let's see. Okay, we are continuing. Now what is the next thing that we are supposed to do? You can see that I made us copy this one, so you enlarge it very big like that. Okay, then after that you turn it around like this. Okay, please, whilst you're watching, make sure you subscribe. Okay, if you have not subscribed, please go and subscribe. You turn on the notification button so that whenever video you post a video inside, you will have it. So you enlarge it like that. You bring it somewhere here. Okay, now what you do is that you go to the transparent tool, you go to overlay. Yes, this one is fine. The overlay is fine. You can bring it down here. The overlay is fine. It is, even though it is not coming out as it is here, but it is fine. Okay, so you click on it, then you clip it inside. Now when you look here, you can also see that there's a text down here. You're going to write that text, so you click here, then you write that text. There is birthday. Okay, so you are writing the birthday. Sorry. Okay, you enlarge it like that. Sorry, the birthday. Then you choose the font. The font is what? It's Ontario, right? I want to turn it like that. There we go. Bring it here. Turn it like that. Then I enlarge it. Are you following? I'm sure you are following. Please make sure you follow. I'm sure you are following. So this one is fine. No, the word I wrote here is not birthday, it's rather blessed. Okay, so let's use the blessed. Okay, the one we are making the flyer for is very much blessed. Okay, then you choose this color for it. This one is fine. Oh, let's choose this color. It's the same colors here. You right click on it, then you click inside. That is very good. There is one thing that you are supposed to see here. While this is selected, you click on edit, right? When you place this one, just come here. You place this one down to this one. Okay, yes, this what does it do? It brings out the color of this one. Yes, so something like this is fine. Please, are you following? Okay, we are continuing. Now we are going to write what is here. Yes, we're going to write what is here. This one, let me try. Let's use this color instead. Let's use this one instead. Okay. Please make sure you are following. So the next thing is that you write the birthday. So you write birthday. Okay. Now we check the font. The font is Ontario. Then we open it like that. Yes, we bring it here. Let's reduce the size a little bit. Right. Okay. We set it to the middle. That's nice. We can put it here like that. So now you can see this one here. You're going to do that one here as well. So you select the rectangle to drop and put a rectangle here like that. Nice. I'm sure you are following. Okay, then we set this color to it. Okay. Now this one, we click on the birthday, then you come down here, you choose contour. And the contour, let's say, should be somewhere. Okay, so you set the contour. Let's wait for it. Okay, so while the contour has come, you Ctrl K, it will break it apart. Then you come to the object side. When you come to the object side, when it opens for you like that, this is what we need. Okay, so you select the shape. This is the shape. Then shift, control, you click on this one. Then you choose this one, not that one. You choose this one. It will get away the shape for you. So this is what we are looking for. This is what we want. Okay, now let's continue. Now we write our happy inside. Okay, now the font that we are using for the happy, it is how is life, personal use. How is life, I don't know how you pronounce it. You pronounce it depending on where you went to school. Anyway, it is fine. It's good. So you use the size small. You bring it here. The size small again. Okay. Now you can enlarge it small. Whilst it is here, you come to this place. You go to envelope. Okay. Then you make it around this shape. Please, are you following? Let's bring it this. We just want to create something that, okay, so this one is fine. This one is fine. Okay, this one is fine. This one is fine. Now, when we are done with this, you create this one. So you click here, you draw a rectangle here like that. There. You send it up. You set it to the middle. Okay. Yeah, I hope you are following. I hope you are following. So you go to contour, set the outline like that. So you are setting this one Control plus K with this one. Then make sure that it has no outline. Now we are coming to insert the picture into this one. So this is the picture. You open the picture like that. You open it. Open the picture like that. Then right click on the picture. You click inside this one. Then click on edit. You set it a very good place. Click on finish. Okay. Now we are continuing. After you are done, you select everything here. Okay. I'm coming. This one, let's choose this one. Select everything here. Then Control plus Z to group it. Okay. Now we write the name under here. So I will put this. I will attach it to the resource. So the name is multi-dance and copy. Then you come, you paste it. The font that we use for is Coreldraw Pro. So you click on the Coreldraw Pro. You open it like that. You bring it down here. You reduce the size a little bit. And you send it up. Okay. Let's enlarge it a little bit. But with this design, you can also do something to it yourself. So you copy, you paste, you bring it down like that. You have copied, you have pasted, write the position. So you can just copy it from here. Measure it, and you come and post it, Copy, you come and paste it. You decrease the size. Okay, set it to the middle. Now the last one, you write it, then we are almost done. The last one is you are blessed, your generation awaits your glory. Copy, you come and paste it like that. You are blessed, your generation awaits your glory. You reduce the size, here. Okay, open it, put it to the middle. Okay, now we are done. So you can see this, it is relatively the same. Okay, so the idea is the same. Now let's group everything. You select this Control plus Z, select this together, Control plus. Grouping organizes your work, okay, and after that you group everything in front here, Control plus, and then you clip it inside. Now we are done. Then you know this is it. Now we are done, but we are not done. As this is selected, you click on the white to give you the white background, right? Click on P to send it back. Now we are done. How do you save it? Control plus S to save it as a Coreldraw file. I already have it, so I will not save it. Then Control plus C to export it as a PNG file. Now that is the picture you can see. Are you with me? So you give it the name, then after that you click on export. Yes, thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. God bless you. Bye.